Study of ancient Indian history has undergone changes in the course of time. Discovery and use of new resources and their interpretations have brought to light new aspects of Indian history. Also, development of new technologies to study archaeological remains have brought to light new aspects of the already existing historical narratives. And this is particularly true of archaeological sources. In the presence of availability of new sources and adaptations of new methods, several views about the ancient Indian history have emerged in the course of time. Especially during colonial rule, we have seen emergence of different narratives about India's history. And these narratives started with the coming of European companies, trading companies into Indian subcontinent. These trading companies were curious about India's history. So because of this curiosity, they started reading the texts that are available in Sanskrit and Persian language, and they tried to interpret India's history as per their understanding of these texts. Another reason why European companies as well as Christian missionaries who started coming to India in the 18th century started giving their own interpretation of India's past. The reason was that they became territorial power in the course of time, and by the 19th century, like India, almost entire Indian subcontinent was colony, either of the British Empire or of some other territorial authority like Portuguese or French. So these territorial powers had to make laws that will be suitable for the local needs and the local norms and customs. So they had to understand the rules and regulations and religious laws of the region. So they started reading the text, especially in context of Hinduism and Islam. The main religious texts were read and interpreted by these company officials as well as the scholars, mostly European scholars. So in this way, we see that different new interpretations came into existence about India's ancient history. And for those who study history of Indian subcontinent as a kind of main